news this evening. Chaos in funeral home industry as wrong body is buried, leaving family distraught. NCB Wealth Advisor pleads guilty to stealing over $74 million. No promising restitution. And the U.S. tourists ignore travel advisory, say Jamaica is safer than their home.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, lots to cover. The Bank of Jamaica had its quarterly monetary policy press briefing, and they say that inflation is expected to be outside of the target range until at least June next year. So I'll have the details later on.
Okay, and Jermaine Brown is also here. He'll give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Herman. Well, the Jamaica Scorpions batting has improved a little bit. Not such a bad opening day against the Barbados Pride at Sabina Park in their regional 4-day match. And St. Jago High boys and Eden Island girls, they are the Central Athletics champions. So we'll tell you more a bit later on.
All right, Keys, stop the dancing now, okay? Stop the dancing. But beautiful weather today, Herman.
Yeah, it was good. I mean, I remember some drizzle last night, but yeah, today was good.
And Romain is here to tell us what is going to come up in the weather reports and forecast.
We're expecting another beautiful day across the island tomorrow. Very little clouds. We still have cool conditions. Temperatures are going to be staying below 30 degrees Celsius for most of the island. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
All right, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking what's been your experience doing business with funeral homes recently?
Now you can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.